Today we're going to show Alyssa how to measure an axle on a trailer, because everybody at Trailer Parts Unlimited needs to know how to measure an axle. So we're going to look at this car hauler. Oh, those are some nice caps. That's one way to do it. So you're going to get on the ground. You're going to get underneath the trailer right here. Because you got to see. And you want to hook your tape measure. If you're by yourself, you can hook it on the outside of the spring and pull to the inside of the other spring. Or you can measure from center to center.
The middle?
Yeah.
So he's holding it on center of one.
It's 79 kilo.
Yeah.
You see it? Center to center?
It's 79.
Center to center is 79.
It's 8K axle.
Yeah, so it's 95.79. And that's how you do it. And then if you want hub face to hub face, you can measure from center of one tire to center of the other tire. And that's just a little quick trick to get pretty close. Because what matters the most is the spring center to spring center. And now you know.